Hey, I am Jessica Tor, and if you're wondering what Teachable can do for you, you have come to the right place. Teachable is a platform that allows independent entrepreneurs and creators to build and sell fully customizable online courses and services, and we know brands and creators can amplify their voice through online courses because we have not only seen the impact that our creators have made, we've also spoken to their customers whose lives have been completely changed through online courses. Courses promote thought leadership, continuing education, but also providing creators and brands with the opportunity to scale their business and expand their reach in ways that they could have never imagined. The thing that we love the most about creating online courses is that it is doable in the short term. This is a way to grow your business in months, not years. And with Teachable, you can get your online course and service business set up in 4 key steps. Creating your course homepage, where first impressions are everything. Your sales page, where you can tell your audience what they should expect to learn from you. Your actual course, and this is where your content is hosted, and setting up your payments so we can help you run your business. We handle all the heavy lifting so you can focus on doing what you do best, which is sharing your knowledge and expertise with others. So join the Teachable community of successful, diverse, and forward-thinking entrepreneurs who are making an impact every day.